Okay, here is part 2. This is just to show once you finish fixing all these errors and what you'll have to do then. So once you finish fixing all these errors, which I can show you some of the fixes for it. Let's say this one, entity growth sprite. It's the fire, because it wants to edit fire to equal 0, but it's a private variable now. That's actually crap. This one. Fire has a private access and entity fire equals 300. All right. So that one's in 360. 360. Where is that? That ends up to be right here. So what they did was to make that variable private, and you can still access it by using a function that's built in to that particular that class file, and the function happens to be this. And their workings make it so that 300 is actually 15, because 15 times whatever the number they had there, I think it was like 20 or something, that equals 300. So you'll use 15 instead. And for 769, 769, there's probably a couple things down now. They were trying to set fire to equal 0, which they also added a function to set fire to 0, and it's just this one function, and that makes fire equal 0. There was a missing slime fx file, so what I had to do was to take it from the 1.81, copied it into 1.0, and then it also had errors with it because of a private class, or private variable, and you also have to use a function to change that, and this is the one function to set the variable, and down here is the function to get the variable. And all you have to do to find out these is just go into the particular source file. So this was the file that I was editing. It told me that my variable was private in entity fx, and it told me the variable name that was private. So what I did was copy that, find, not there, not there, I'm looking for it in the function, and there it is in the function. So this is the function to set it. I'll show you where it is. This is the function to set it, as you see. And then inside the I area, you put that. And then it sets this to equal that. And this is the function to get it. And you just put that over here. And that was it for that one. And let's see what else. Render growth sprite. So render grow sprite was line 62. Alright. 62. Alright, they had this, and this is what was required for 1.8, and then 1.1 they added an extra int. So what I did was to look at a couple of the other new files, such as let's go to render area, and we'll look at I guess render cow maybe. I think that would be a good one. Where was that? Or was it not that one? It might not have been that particular one. I think render item. I'll search for render item. This is one of the nicest features of Windows 7. You can actually search really easy. Let's see, snowman. Let's go to snowman. Render snowman. Alrighty. They did this for rendering the snowman. They use 0. So I could probably use 0, but I just use the int f, and it works. I don't think this actually really matters. You'll encounter that sometimes though. Alright, so that's just, you know, kind of the basic how you fix it and what you do. So let me copy all those working ones. And then you will recompile again. You will recompile quite often. Especially if you have a lot of errors and you actually want to be able to know what you did and didn't do. As you see, no errors. Recompiling this time. So then you'll start the client. Just because you don't have errors does not mean this will work. This time it will, because I made sure those files worked. I always go to creative just to easily see if the stuff has been added into the world and spawns naturally, just so I can fly and move around and not have to worry about dying or anything. Alrighty, here we go. And wow, that was convenient actually. And here they are. I can hear them talking because we installed the auto mod. I will actually turn that way down because that's really loud. Holy crap. Alright. And they're here. And they'll plant saplings and all that good stuff. You should come towards me because I'm holding it. Oh, I meant to drop it for you, little dude. It's like, yay, give me the saplings. Woohoo! And it works. Alright. So then we tested it, and we made sure we recompiled, we tested it. Now we have to re-obfuscate the code. Close that. This doesn't take all too long. And when it finishes, it will put the files in the reobfusc folder, and it's in the Minecraft, and it'll be in net and Minecraft. It's like way in there. I didn't think it was that far, but apparently it is. And there we go. Oh, there we go. I didn't think it was that far in. Alright, it's in the reobfusc and then the Minecraft. And there's all your class files. And you'll copy those. And you'll paste them somewhere, and I usually just delete the old ones, paste the new ones, and zip all that stuff up. And I will change this to say 1.00. And there you go. And then you just upload it to wherever you want to upload it to. And that's how you just upload that's how you just update a basic modloader mod. Alright.